Thanks, Alvin. Hi.
I seen A.R.E.'s website on the internet, and I thought we'd come down and check out some different styles. I was wondering what you can tell me about them.
A.R.E. has been in business for 3 decades. They produce fiberglass caps at their 256,000 square foot facility in Massillon, Ohio.
Wow, that's impressive.
A.R.E. uses the best methods and the most reliable materials in the construction of their caps. It starts with A.R.E.'s tooling department. The tooling department combines computer-generated 3D modeling along with hand craftsmanship to produce plugs for each make and model of a truck. These plugs are then used to make molds. The molds are used to create the actual fiberglass caps. Every cap is custom built with selected options to suit the customer's request.
You mean we can select different options to create a cap that's specific to our needs?
You bet. I just place an order with A.R.E.'s customer service department. Then the order is entered into the computer system and transferred to the production department. An A.R.E. employee selects and inspects the correct mold for your cap and stages it to the first phase of production.
So there's a mold designed specifically for our truck?
Exactly. And once it's been inspected, the mold is sprayed with a primer gel coat, which creates a paintable surface to the outside of the cap. It is then sprayed with our first layer of fiberglass, which is specially formulated for increased flexibility.
Okay, it's flexible, but is it strong?
Well, that's a good question. After the first layer is applied, honeycomb and cloth reinforcements are applied to the cap and encased by another layer of fiberglass laminate. This layer includes a low-ratio filler, which results in added integrity and rigidity.
So, A.R.E. combines the best of both worlds with flexibility and strength.
You got it. When the laminates have finished the curing process, they are transferred to the next phase of production.
Is that where the cap gets painted?
No, actually there's a few more things you have to go through before the cap gets painted. Once the cap is cured, it's transferred to the Fossliner department where an optional carpeted interior is placed.
Wow, I like that.
It is nice.
At this point, the cap is then removed from the mold, and all the trim and the base rails are installed. The cap is transferred along the conveyor belt to the area where the holes are cut for the windows. They're precisely cut using a water jet cutter that blasts a thin jet of water at 50,000 psi.
So, this machine can blast out water at 50,000 pounds per square inch and cut right through the fiberglass. That's amazing.
It is amazing, actually. It makes a very clean cut. But the cap is then sanded and carefully inspected, preparing it to be...
Painted?
You got it. After the cap is wiped clean, it's wheeled into one of A.R.E.'s 4 paint booths. Every cap is painted with DuPont's Chroma Premier automotive paint and then clear-coated using DuPont's Glamour Urethane Clear. DuPont's ChromaVision computerized paint mixing system is used to match the color to the manufacturer's paint code specified by the truck's VIN number. The cap is then baked at 160 degrees for 25 minutes to harden the paint and prepare it for final assembly. When it's ready, it's transferred to the final assembly, where windows, doors, clothes rods, roof racks, and lights are installed as specified by the initial order.
So that's it then?
Yep. Once the cap is finished, they'll load it onto one of their A.R.E. trucks, they'll bring it right here to me, I'll give you a call, and we'll set up an appointment for an installation. Now, the whole process takes usually a couple of weeks from the day I place the order until it's delivered to our store. Well, there you go, sir. You're all ready to roll.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Make sure you tell A.R.E. they got one of the best fitting caps in the market.
Thank you.
By the way, the paint match was great.
It's our pleasure.
Okay.